Paychex is a human capital management company. If you have a company and have payroll needs or HR needs, we have a service that provides some level of that for your business model.
One of the real differentiators for Paychex in the HR space for a long time has been the level of service that a client can get from us. We pride ourselves in, 24/7, a client can pick up the phone, ask a question. There's different regulations depending on your state, down to maybe even your town. The complexity leads to, I'll call you back.
The idea concept was, let us use AI to be able to do search through all of our documentation. So that way, if you're a payroll specialist, you have the knowledge of the large organization at your fingertips. So MongoDB at Paychex has been a fast-growing technology within our application stack and our technology stacks. We have over 800 spread across 140 some odd different application stacks.
What we're doing with Atlas is we're really storing all of the metadata around the interactions and then using different analytical tools to look at those interactions and say, okay, here's where it's working, here's where it's not.
MongoDB has been a tool set that we've been able to do to really drive faster automation. We're at a point now where we can spin up a full collection, full data set in 27 minutes across all of our data centers.
As we talk about the landscape for HR, regulations, it's not getting simpler. Anything you can do to make your individual worker more productive, anything you can do to help get them on board and productive faster is a win.
We're using our internal AI conversation, our Copilot solution that's based off MongoDB Atlas, so that we can use that to enable our service representatives to give our clients an even better experience.